Crafting Away the Blues by Carmen C. Can. Woke up this morning with feelings of blue. This self-isolation, what am I to do? My seeds are all planted, my house is clean too, and supper's arranged, we're having tofu. Then all of a sudden I think something new. Your hyacinth stamp from old to new. I race to my craft closet, push aside a lost shoe, retrieve my hyacinth stamp bundle, ink cardstock and glue. Inspiration sheet I pull out and learn what to do. Time passes quickly making a card for Aunt Sue. Then a scrapbook page of sweet baby Lou. The flowers are beautiful, so realistic too. The process is soothing and rewarding, yahoo! The sun has gone down with my paper, ink and glue, but my spirits have soared, I've so much to do. Tomorrow I'll eat leftover tofu, so I can make artwork for walls with the dies that came too. And encouragement cards for people like you, from my hyacinth stamp bundle from old to new. Crafting Away the Blues by Carmen C. Can.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!